Hey guys, Hasib here. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about HVAC web design. So I'm going to share with you guys some quick tips and tricks that will help you not only increase the conversion rate of your HVAC website, but also get more leads from Google organically. So I'm going to help you improve your conversion rate optimization of your website. Also, that will help you in your website's SEO. So if you're a web designer that does websites for HVAC or any local business in general, or if you are the business owner who has a website for HVAC or any local business, these tips and tricks will help you a lot, trust me. And we are also going to look at a website that I did a few days ago for a client, so I could show you how it looks after we apply these tips. So these are not really rocket science. These are pretty simple and pretty efficient, tips that anyone could apply. And anyone, like, I think a lot of you already know about these, but I'm just giving you everything in an organized fashion. So let's just jump right into the document we can see on our screen. So for any local business website design, we must follow some guidelines to not only make the conversion rate optimized, but also making it easier to rank on Google. So that's our plan. That's our goal, really. Starting with top fold. So top fold is the hero section we see on our website once we land on any website in general. So that's the hero section. That's the section with a background. Generally, it has a form, it has a main headline, it has some bullet points. So I'm going to share with you how to create a really good top fold for your website. So it must have a value proposition headline with a clear message. It must have a clear call to action. It must have trust badges, social proof, a top bar with basic information, bullet points describing the services, and clearly stating the area served. By that I mean it must have something that says what area that business is serving. So I'm going to go to the website that I was talking a few minutes ago. This is the website, guys. So let's actually match what I said is already applied on this page. So this is the hero section. Basically, it has a header, it has a top bar, it has this nice top fold section over here. So the value proposition headline is this part: quality heating and air conditioning services in Minneapolis, Minnesota. So it not only says the services, talks about the services the company provides, but also talks about the area. So it's all around Minneapolis, Minnesota. So it's the entire city. And clear call to action means it has the phone number on the top bar. Also, it has the form. So you don't need any button or anything. You can either call or you can just fill out the form from the desktop version. I'll also show you the mobile version as well. And it has the trust badges, social proof. So social proof is this Facebook and Google reviews badge, and trust badges is these badges based on the kind of business. Like for HVAC, it's different. For roofing, it could be GAF certified, shingle roofing specialist, all those badges you've got in a roofing website. Also for construction, it's different, all those things, right? So for HVAC, we have 3 badges over here. That's enough. And so that takes care of the trust badges, right? So we got 3 trust badges here. We got the social proof icon or the badge here, a top bar with basic information. So top bar in this case has phone numbers, 24-hour emergency services, also the address of the company. So people can actually see how far it is from their location, right? Next thing we are going to see if it has bullet points describing services or something that makes the company stand out. So the services is actually described in the headline itself. So I have used the bullet points section to make the company stand out from others. So expert HVAC services, local professionals, customer-centric approach. So in your case, it could be like offering 10% off, get a 10-year workmanship warranty, all those things that that no one else is providing, but you are. Make them feel that you are giving them something that someone else are not. So that's the entire point of having bullet point section, and also clearly stating the area served. I have taken care of this in the headline. So that's pretty much it, right? So we've got the call to actions, trust badges, the headline, top bar, bullet point section, area served. All those things are taken care of in the top section or the hero section. So just have a look how much information I have provided in the section where people don't even have to go down. They don't even have to scroll down to get more information. They have pretty much everything. And that's the goal, right? So 70 to 80% people won't even go down or scroll down on your website. So if they don't have the information they need on the top fold or on the hero section, they're going to go to other competitor websites and just fill out their information, right? So that's the entire point of having a really good and catchy top bar. So that looks good. That looks like really good in design terms. Also, that's really efficient in terms of content and information. So that's a really good hero section, I would say, for this website. And clearly this is a demo because I did change it for the client. So I actually came up with the design first and then replaced the information with client's information just so I could make this video. So section 2 will be the process. Section 2 is about the process that talks about the entire process of someone getting a service from this company from start to finish. So the first step would be get a free estimate. The second step would be thorough inspection after the estimate. And the third step would be sit back and relax because we got this. So just make sure that you are putting benefit before the feature. So our feature is we do services, and the benefit is you get you get an expert HVAC inspection or an HVAC heating and air conditioning service. So that's the entire goal of having a 3-step section like this that describes the customer journey. And the third section would be services. So I have broken down the services section into 2 parts. So this is the first one that talks a bit about the services and also has the numbers. It's really important to put numbers in the website somewhere. 2,500 plus projects completed, 500 plus satisfied customers. And it also has a button that will take you to the form, right? It also has the phone number. And then we are talking about cooling services, repair services, and heating services. So they know that these are the services you are providing. And the fourth section will be basically why choose us. This section I have kept for putting some content, so it helps in Google SEO, right? So that's the why choose us section. You could choose anything else, like an informative section that gives the people some info. That's all. The fifth section would be testimonials. So if you have got like customer reviews and stuff, you could put it here. And also the sixth section would be final CTA. And this final CTA section is just holding a form in my case. So that's pretty much it. And this is the entire layout, guys. So you don't have to do anything else. Just keep it simple. Just keep it simple design and just give it some content that's efficient, and make sure this is the entire flow. This is what we call AIDA. So attention, interest, desire, and action. So the AIDA module is implemented if you follow the same layout. And some other things to take notice is this needs to be really responsive. So if I give you this mobile view, so in mobile, it needs to be really easy for people to call, right? So when they land here, they have everything, all bit of information, but they also need a button where they can make a call. So once you click on this button, it'll make a phone call to this number of the company, and it needs to be really mobile responsive. And one more really important thing, if you want the people to not go to any other website, you need them to have access to this website really fast. So the website has to be really, really fast. So if we go down here, so in GT metrics, the website has a page speed of 99% and A. So this is the most I could ask for, really. So that's pretty much everything about a website or an HVAC website you need to take care of, or this is the entire checklist. So make sure you follow this entire process for your website, if it's an HVAC website, a construction website, roofing website, anything in general, and make sure it looks simple and yet really efficient, So make sure to subscribe if you think this video helps, and if you need any kind of web design service or anything, just get in touch with me. There's a link below in this video's description, and we can talk from there. So have a good day. Thank you. Cheers.